Struggling to break free from addiction? You're not alone. Millions fight daily to overcome bad habits. But here's the thing. Most advice out there focuses on willpower, which is a recipe for failure. It's time to forget about resisting. It's time to crush your addiction. This 5-step action plan will equip you with powerful strategies, not just to hold back, but to actively crush it. Crush it, not just resist it. That's the difference. Cultivate hatred. We often downplay the negative effects of addiction. But face it, your addiction is your enemy. Make a list of all the ways it's holding you back. The lost time, the damaged relationships, the missed opportunities. Visualize these consequences. Every time you feel tempted, revisit this list and remind yourself while you're fighting this battle. Seeing the harm your addiction inflicts will fuel your determination to break free. Find your purpose. Addiction thrives when life lacks direction. When you have a strong purpose, a burning desire to achieve something, the allure of fleeting pleasure fades. What makes you come alive? What problems do you want to solve in the world? Finding your purpose is a journey, but it's the ultimate weapon against addiction. Having a cause greater than yourself gives your life meaning and direction, making addiction's grip less enticing. Embrace boredom. We are conditioned to fear boredom, to constantly seek stimulation. But boredom isn't the enemy. It's an opportunity to reconnect with yourself. Learn to be comfortable doing nothing. Silence the noise and let your mind wander. You might be surprised by the creativity and clarity that emerges. Not only will this reduce anxiety, but it can also spark self-discovery. Boredom allows for introspection. You might discover hidden passions or talents that become a fulfilling substitute for your addiction. Fight dirty. Forget willpower battles. Willpower is like a muscle. It gets tired. Instead, fight dirty. This means removing temptations from your environment. Unsubscribe from gambling sites. Block distracting apps. Get rid of junk food. Make it as difficult as possible to fall back into addiction. By removing triggers, you're setting yourself up for success. A fight against temptation is much easier when temptation is out of sight and out of mind. Move your body. Exercise is a powerful tool against addiction. It not only improves your physical health, but also releases endorphins, the brain's natural feel-good chemicals. When you get that endorphin rush from exercise, you're less likely to crave the artificial highs of your addiction. So, hit the gym, go for a run, get your body moving. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Exercise is a double win. It replaces the unhealthy highs of addiction with a natural mood boost and strengthens your body and mind for the challenges ahead. Now, go out there and crush your addictions.